to like June 21st of 2012, so that's 10 years ago. A great friend, a beautiful friend at that time, gave that to Joseph as a Christmas gift. And Joseph was thinking, oh, she must be into me. She got me a special gift, so I'm gonna date her. So after 5 days, they started dating each other. And that person name is Caroline.
Of course it's Caroline.
Of course.
It's Caroline. Oh, tell your wife your name is Caroline.
I'm going to tell your
Oh,
wife.
tell your wife your name is Caroline.
And now Caroline and Joseph will be celebrating their 10th anniversary.
Mark your calendars.
Mark your calendars.